Well, hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another catch and cook. Today we're going to be cooking an exotic species here in Florida. We're going to be cooking the peacock bass. Got a nice peacock. Last weekend when I was out there with Amber and Summer down in Lake Ida and the canals down there, we were slow trolling shiners for some peacocks and any other exotics we could catch, and we got a nice peacock. Released most of them, but I wanted to take one and try it, see how it tastes. So we're going to do that today. Real quick, check out this footage of us catching this really nice peacock, and I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and I'll see you in the kitchen, y'all. Nice fish right here. Nice fish. Don't know what it is yet. Hasn't jumped, so I'm not sure it's a peacock. It's a big fish though, I'll tell you that. Looks like a peacock.
Is it?
Yep. We got storms coming. It's a nice size peacock. You got me on the grass though. Got me all in that grass. 6 pound test is not real forgiving.
Look at that.
It's a big, that's a tilapia.
He's sitting there.
Man, he is not wanting to give up.
What's he sitting?
Not wanting to give up. A lot of pressure on him. There he is, nice one. See that net, babe. Get him. All right. Woohoo! First peacock in the boat. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Okay, Summer, move the net, babe. All right, guys. Look at that peacock, y'all. That's a nice peacock. Little humpback. Awesome. I'm gonna keep one peacock to do a catch and cook with. So this is gonna be my one keeping peacock. The rest of them will be releasing. Pretty fish, guys. All right, guys. I got my peacock bass here. We're gonna go ahead and make an incision right behind the head, just like you would any other fish. I'm going to come up this head a little bit where that little hump is. About like that. And we're going to come down the back here. Make our little incision. Come through. Get the tail just like that. We're going to try to get above the rib cage here. Just like most cichlids, they have that kind of yellowish meat, which is actually really good. Like this. There we go. Nice little peacock bass fillet. Go ahead and skin it. There we go. Get all those little pin bones out. Just like that. There we go, guys. Nice peacock bass fillet. Alright, Jettie Rockers. Well, we got our peacock bass fillet here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut both of them in half. Like that, so you got two nice size halves here. This one's, cut this one more like this. There you go. Alright, so I got 4 halves here. I have 4 fillets here to work with. And what we're going to use is a Chef's Paw Black and Redfish Magic. This stuff is awesome. If you guys have not tried this, this is outstanding seasoning for redfish. And you don't actually have to blacken it. We're going to be kind of blackening it today, but not really. We're not going to be cooking at such high heat, and you're not going to get the blackened crust on the fish. But we're going to have the seasoning, and it's going to be really flavorful and really good. So basically what we're going to do, we're just going to coat these really good. I mean, coat them real good. About like that. Do all 4 fillets like that. Alright, now that we got these all coated, about like that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to melt some butter in a skillet. Alright guys, we got some butter here, and you use as much as you like or as little as you like. I want the whole bottom of this pan to be kind of coated in some butter. And we're going to be cooking this on a high heat, and it's going to be really, really good. It makes the house smell really good when you do it like this. A lot of people don't like to cook fish in the house. Cooking it this way, it smells really good. I think fish smells good anyway, no matter how you cook it, but that's just me. Alright, we're going to get this all melted, then we're going to add the fish. Alright guys, you see how the butter's sizzling real good right there? That's what you're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and add our fish. Like that. As you can tell, you're not hearing no sizzling because we're not actually blackening the fish. We're just going to pan fry these fish or pan sear these fish in a way in the butter. And boy, with the seasoning and the butter, oh my goodness, it is awesome. Alright guys, they're cooking really nice. What I like to do is cook them on each side for about 2 minutes. You see they're all getting white around the edges? That's perfect, exactly what you want. Okay, Jettie Rockers, well it's been about 2 minutes each side, so we're going to, on this side rather, go ahead and flip this over. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Man, that's awesome. See, they're almost already halfway through. You see how far they've been cooking. I'll let those cook for another 2 minutes. They should be good, guys. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. Man, look at that. That is just awesome. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. I'll test them real quick. I need a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them over again. We're starting to get a crust on them now. It's looking good. Oh boy. Alright, man. That looks fantastic. So we'll let these cook for like another minute, minute and a half, and they should be done. Alright, well they look like they're done, so we're going to go ahead and take them out. Plate these up. Man, look at that. Holy moly. You can already tell that Peacock holds up really well cooking it this way. It's not falling apart. So that's a plus. That's really good. That's some good looking fish, guys. Alright, well I'm going to make some corn real quick and plate this up and see you guys on the couch. Alright guys, I got my extra good dishes out. My real expensive ones. So we're going to go ahead and take a fillet of this awesome looking peacock bass. Add it to my corn here. I'm going to go see you guys on the couch. I can't wait to eat this. Hey Jettie Rockers. We're at the couch here. We got our fish. Summer actually already ate some and she told me it was absolutely delicious, that she loves it. So that's a plus. So I'm going to go ahead and try a piece right here. Here's a peacock bass, guys. Looks pretty good. So here we go. Bam. Wow. Holy. Oh. Man. Whew. Man. I'll tell you right now. If you'd have given me this piece of fish and you told me this was mangrove snapper or some kind of snapper, I would not be able to tell you the difference. It's flaky. Holy cow, that is so good. That is an outstanding fish, guys. I mean, I'm not even kidding you. Look at the meat on that. I mean, that is bomb. Holy moly. Guys, that's awesome. That is awesome. I almost wish I would have kept some more, but they're such a pretty fish, and you know, they're an exotic species. Well, they're not an invasive exotic. They were actually introduced here on purpose for the sports industry and to keep down the other exotic populations like the little cichlid population like the Mayans, the tilapias and jewel cichlids and stuff like that. They were introduced to keep those down, from what I've been told, from what I understand. Because most of the exotics, they don't mind if you keep them. They want you to remove them from the water system. They want you to keep them, but they kind of want you to release the peacock bass. And legally, you're only allowed to keep 2 per person per day. That is the legal limit, from what I was told at the bait shop. So next time I go down there, I probably will keep 2 instead of 1. But I am not condoning y'all by any means to go down there and fill up your cooler on peacock bass. That would be counterproductive. This is a great fishery. It's an awesome sport fish to catch, and it happens to be very delicious. But we got to exercise some restraint and not hurt the population. But man, wow, that is good. I'm not even kidding you. Holy. I got to take another bite. Outstanding. That is my favorite freshwater fish. There's nothing even compares to that I've eaten in freshwater. Not even the mine cichlid, and I love mine cichlid. They're excellent. They're outstanding. But that is incredible. Absolutely. Wow. All right, enough of that, guys. I want to thank each and every one of you all for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I want to thank every one of you guys for subscribing to my channel. We are over 6,000 now, and that's because you guys rock. I mean, you guys are awesome. You guys humble me. There's a lot of you that want to go fishing with me. I mean, please be patient with me, because I am kind of a busy dude, but I will make time to fish with you guys. I really will. This is going to take me a while. There's some people I've already gone fishing with. I've already gone fishing with some subscribers. And those subscribers, we talked with each other for a while. You know, I got to get to know you, you know, kind of get a feel for you. And if I feel comfortable with you guys, I will go fishing with you. And that's a promise. So just give it some time. I know some of you all probably getting a little frustrated with me because we've been messaging back and forth and I still haven't gone fishing with you. But like I said, I'm a little busy because I have a full-time job and I have kids and I'm married. And plus I do this on the side and I fish when I can. So I will get to fish with you guys, I promise. We just have to take it easy, take our time, but we'll get there, guys, I promise. Well, till I get to see you guys on the water here soon, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. Hey, Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. But check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.